TikTok account doesn't exist. How to fix TikTok account doesn't exist problem. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now before we start, you can go ahead and do this method on your mobile devices or on your desktop computer. Basically, if you have a message called account doesn't exist, you want to go ahead and watch this video to learn how to fix it. Now first things first, you have to confirm that you are connected to a stable internet connection. So TikTok will try to go ahead and look for the email account you are trying to find or you are trying to log in. Right after that, if still it didn't work, you want to head over to the report a problem page. You can go ahead and head over to tiktok.com/legal/report/feedback. From here, you can just go ahead and click on the something like account ban or suspension. From here, you can just go ahead and click on change account information. From here, you want to click on general question and you want to go ahead and put your email address right here and also your username. Right after, you want to go ahead and put your additional details. You want to tell them that you cannot go ahead and type your email address here on TikTok and you are receiving account doesn't exist message. Right after, you can upload a screenshot of that specific message right here and TikTok will go ahead and message you trying to fix the problem. They will go ahead and retrieve your account if TikTok cannot go ahead and find it. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.